Good morning, students. Let us move on to the explanation of the lesson, A True Story of Sea Turtles. Hope you all have completed the warming up activity in your notebooks. A True Story of Sea Turtles. In this paragraph, when you will be reading, you will come to know that the narrator of the story was surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. And as they were roaming the coast, one of their volunteers means a person who freely offers to take part in an enterprise or undertake a task. In their team, saw some shallow pits. Shallow means not deep. Pits means a large hole in the ground. They saw shallow pits with white egg shells nearby. When they inquired with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. This was a surprise for them. They had never come across turtle eggs in their walks along the beaches of Konkan in all those years. When they studied further, they learned that particular beach was sealed for a month because people, those who were smuggling silver bricks, were caught in that area. When they learned further and when they tried to find out the information, they were shocked. What information they found, we will just come to know in the coming paragraphs. It shocked them further to the core. To the core means deeply hurt. They were deeply hurt. In this slide, you can see a beautiful picture of a turtle. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state, that is Maharashtra state. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. Now just imagine what made them surprised or what made them sad was this, that they revealed that people, they steal turtle eggs, they sell them, they eat them, they at times even kill the turtle. Turtles, they are found in the entire coastline. What do you mean by coastline? Coastline means the land along a coast. Now what is a coast? Coast is a part of the land adjoining or near the sea. Here, who keep combing the beach? Combing means searching systematically and carefully. Now these turtles, they leave a trail behind. What do you mean by trail? Trail means when the turtle walks or moves slowly, a mark or a series of signs or objects left behind the passage of someone or something is a trail. Now just imagine for people, those who were still stealing eggs, it was very easy for them to reach the turtle's nest just because of this trail. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. Just imagine how inhuman it is, such a cruel practice. Ruthless is cruel, merciless. Some people, they are so merciless, they are so self-centered, they hardly think about others. Over here also, without having mercy to these animals, they kill them, they eat eggs, and this is, it's a very cruel act done by the humans. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Children, an act was passed wherein they had to protect these turtles. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. We all know that tiger is an endangered species. Similarly, children, many marine animals are endangered species. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried out in a secret hush hush manner. Hush hush manner means confidential manner. Therefore, all this, when they carried out such kind of activity, it was an illegal activity done by the people over there. They used to do it secretly. This information was distressing, upsetting the volunteers, the team, those who were observing the white-bellied sea eagles. When they further investigated, it was a shock for them. They felt very sad after they came to know all these facts. What they did, they decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. This team, then they rather took an oath to carry out conservation and protection of sea turtles. As such, the team had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first of all, what they had to do, they undertook a study of turtles. Children, if we need to carry out any project, we first need to study, carry out research work, collect data, find out the reason or problems faced, and then find out the solution to overcome the obstacles. Remove the obstacles and move ahead to achieve our goals. This is what they did, what the team did. They contacted institutes that worked for the protection of turtles in India. The next step they had to do was they launched a turtle protection campaign at Velas, Taluka Mandangad, district Ratnagiri. This was done with the support and cooperation of the forest department. Naturally, if we take help of the forest department and the people, those who are officially involved in such kind of cases, the task becomes somewhat easier because they get the help and cooperation from these people. As part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtle nests on the beach in the morning. When they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit. Now, this task they had to carry it very carefully. They had to see that the eggs are not at all harmed, they are not damaged, and even they get the proper temperature and everything, so that they get incubated properly. But once protected with wire fencing. Now, the pits, the nests were protected by wire fencing so that nobody could steal them. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. In the next video, we will see what happened and how the campaign, was it really successful or not.